Hey guys, we're in Bushwick, Brooklyn. We're gonna go check out a Polaroid and film camera shop, and we're gonna get some pizza and check some vinyl records and go see a graffiti artist friend of ours in the neighborhood. There it is, our 146. The easiest way to get to this area of Bushwick is to take the Morgan Avenue L stop. So we're here in an artist loft, Hudson Place in Bushwick, and we're going to go check out this place, what we heard through Instagram. It's called Brooklyn Film Camera, and it was started by this guy named Kyle, who used to work for Polaroid, like the Impossible Project, where he was a camera and film technician, and we heard great things about this camera shop. We're big film camera enthusiasts ourselves. We still shoot film to this day, and we're going to go check this place out. Getting into the building and up to the third floor where the studio is located is a process, and felt somewhat like going into a film and vintage camera speakeasy. Brooklyn Film Camera specializes in selling refurbished vintage Polaroid cameras, including a vast selection of SX70 models and Polaroid 600 models. They also sell and repair other analog cameras and carry a wide variety of film and camera accessories. Kyle told us that he plans to open a film lab, as he has another studio down the hall which will offer 35mm and 120mm C41 film processing. We didn't need any camera equipment or film today, but we purchased 2 Brooklyn Film Camera t-shirts to wear. We own a few vintage Polaroids, including a 1969 Polaroid Model 340 land camera,
a 1957 Polaroid Model 150 land camera,
and a Polaroid Spectra. And we also have our favorite, a 1949 Graflex Speed Graphic pacemaker that we shoot black and white 120mm film. Superior Elevation Records was founded by Tom Noble and specializes in disco, soul, and house vinyl records, and also carries funk LPs, jazz, reggae, and international stuff. According to Tom, they have tons of killer disco and boogie, and pretty much have every song Larry Levan ever played. When walking around Bushwick, you'll notice there's so much street art and graffiti. It's like a gallery on the street. In fact, when we first started documenting mom and pop stores, we became interested in it because we really love signage. Because we came from a graffiti background, and graffiti's all about the lettering style. So we were always looking at the storefront signs and the hand-painted signs and the big neon signs, looking for different fonts and lettering styles. Roberta's on Moore Avenue in Bushwick has been open since 2008, and they're known for their brick oven pizza, very imaginative pies, and a lot of the ingredients are sourced from their rooftop garden, and they have a great outdoor space where you can eat and hang out and We're gonna go inside and get a pie. This is perfect because we're gonna get a pizza, so it's perfect.
Yay!
It was so amazing watching all these great pies coming out of the oven at Roberta's. The little stinker, which you see here, has tomato sauce, mozzarella, parmigiano, double garlic, onion, and pepperoncini pepper. The Beastmaster with tomato sauce, mozzarella, gorgonzola, pork sausage, onion, caper, and jalapeno also looked amazing. The Bee Sting with tomato sauce, mozzarella, soppressata, chili, and a touch of honey really looked good too. Our pie will take around 20 minutes to be ready, so we're gonna go check out the patio garden area and the tiki bar and go inside Roberta's where you can sit down and have a meal. Of course, we have Hudson with us, so we're gonna eat in the outside garden. Our order's ready now in the takeaway. There it is, our 146. So we're here at Roberta's and we're in their outside patio garden and we're gonna have their classic margarita pie. Uh-oh. We just had their margarita pie. It was really, really delicious. And we saw a lot of other pies being made, like their bee sting. It looked really good too, so we'll try that next time. There's even more graffiti and street art just down the block from Roberta's. We met up with our graffiti artist friend Spot KMS, who was painting a piece alongside Binho, who was visiting from Brazil. Binho painted the rat character holding a spray can. So this is Yes One, and he's going to talk a little bit about the inspiration behind this piece.
How you doing? What's up? Yes One, ya tu sabes. Doing this since '83. Just trying to keep the essence of graffiti alive. You know, been doing it for a minute. Got love for the game alongside Logic. My man Jake from Paris. My man Ribs, GAK. My man Beckett, he's new to the game. You know, he's bringing some nice little funk style to it.
Swallow Cafe on Wilgard Street, right near the Morgan Avenue L stop, was founded by Mike Sala. The cafe has a great atmosphere with antique furniture and vintage iron lamps. We're gonna get coffee and a shot of espresso to energize us for the long walk home to the East Village. We had such a great afternoon in Bushwick today. We checked out Polaroid and film cameras, had great pizza and coffee, checked out vinyl records, and saw lots of graffiti art. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our visit to Bushwick, Brooklyn today. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly with a special neon signage episode next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.